We're back. Mitchell Griffith here with Griffithgoodsandspirits, and today we've got the first ever Thank God It's Tuesday, where I show you how to make a classic cocktail and then a new version of that classic cocktail. Let's get down to it. We're going to be making quite possibly the most classic cocktail of all time, the Old Fashioned. But with millions of different whiskeys, how do you know which one's right to make your Old Fashioned with? You've got expensive and rare whiskeys, you've got ryes, you've got small batch, single barrel, bottled and bond, all kinds of different stuff. Well, today we're going to help you weed out which whiskey is going to be right for you. We're going to be using two great bourbons today. We've got our Henry McKenna here that has a little bit more smoky, caramely notes for a traditional Old Fashioned, and then we've got this Woodford Reserve here. While this may be a special bottle, normal Woodford's great for elevating your Old Fashioned. To start off with our traditional Old Fashioned, we're going to take one sugar cube and drop that in our glass. We're going to hit it with 3 dashes of Angostura bitters. You're going to take your muddler and just break down the sugar cube into a paste as best as you can. That looks good. And then we're going to top it with 2 ounces of our Henry McKenna. I'm going to drop that straight in the glass. We're going to add in about 3 ice cubes. And just give that a swirl. All this is doing is just cooling down your cocktail. You don't want it to dilute. And now to garnish the cocktail. We're just going to go ahead and take our paring knife and cut a nice little orange zest. You're going to take that, run it around the rim of your glass, give it a nice little spritz, and drop it in. And you've got a great traditional Old Fashioned. Now that we've got our traditional Old Fashioned done, time to start on our new fashion. For this, we're going to use 1 bar spoon full of brown sugar. We're going to use Angostura orange bitters to give it a little bit of orange zest. 4 shakes of that. And we've got Fee Brothers Old Fashioned bitters. 1, 2, 3, 4 of those as well. And again, you're just going to muddle this together until it becomes a nice paste. And then we're going to add in 2 ounces of our Woodford Reserve. And then another little trick is we're going to do 1 ounce of our homemade vanilla syrup. You're asking, will this make this way too sweet? No, not at all. With the doubled bitters, this will actually make it super balanced. And then we're going to add in our 4 ice cubes. We'll go 3. We'll just go 3. Give that a nice swirl around. And you're going to garnish this with a little bit of orange and a little bit of lemon as well. You're going to go ahead and get your orange zest. Same thing, run it around your glass and give it a good twist and drop in. And then for your lemon, you're going to take your channel knife, if you have one, and just give it a nice quick run around. This is going to create a cute little curly Q to go in your glass. Give it a twist. And then your new fashion is ready to go. 1 old, 1 new, 2 different tastes, but both fantastic. Enjoy your Thank God It's Tuesday. Hit us up with a like and subscribe and click that bell if you want to come to the next Thank God It's Tuesday.